Welcome to Netrinos. Netrinos simplifies remote networking. This software solution creates a secure, private network on top of the public internet, seamlessly bypassing firewalls and routers. Devices on this virtual network become instantly accessible from anywhere with internet connectivity, offering enhanced security and unparalleled ease of use. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to connect remote computers using Netrinos. Once connected to your secure Netrinos network, these computers will be able to see and interact with each other, no matter where they are in the world, as if they were in the same room. Let's take a quick look at our setup. We have a desktop PC in a home office and a laptop out in the field, connected using a cellular hotspot. Don't worry, the type of internet connection doesn't really matter. As long as both computers can access the internet, the process is the same. And remember, you can add as many devices as you need to your Netrinos network. They'll all be able to see and communicate with each other. Now, let's dive in. First, we need to sign up for the Nutrino service. We'll be using the free version. Go to the Netrinos website at netrinos.com. At the top of the page, click the Sign Up button. Now, let's fill out the registration form. Choose a username you'll remember easily. This is important because your username defines your network, and all devices using your account will connect to it. Once you're ready, click Sign Up. Great. The welcome page explains how to set up your secure private network. You can always find this page again in the Help section of the website. We also emailed you a copy. Now that you're registered, let's install the Nutrino software on the home PC and connect it to our brand new network. You'll find a download link at the top. Click that. Now, choose the right version for your computer: Windows, Mac, or Linux. In this example, we'll use Windows. Once the download's finished, click to open it and start the installation. You'll see a few setup screens. Just click Next to move through them. After installation, Netrinos will launch automatically. Time to log in. Enter the username and password you created when you registered. Then click Log In. You should now see a message saying there aren't enough devices on your network. Don't worry, that's totally normal. We only have one computer connected so far. Now let's get the laptop set up. Head to netrinos.com. Click Download and choose the version for the laptop. Once downloaded, run the installer and click through those same setup screens. Use the same username and password you created earlier. This is how Netrinos knows all your devices are part of the same network. After a few moments, you'll see the home PC's name appear in Netrinos. At first, it will be grayed out. That means it's still connecting. Give it a minute or so and then watch for activity. When you see a counter, that means the computers are talking and your network is ready to go. If a computer stays grayed out, that means it is not available. It could be turned off, sleeping, or not connected to the internet. When a computer goes on or offline, it can take a minute or two for everything to sync, so please be patient. You access Netrinos through the icon in the notification area down by your clock. Windows sometimes hides new icons, so click the little arrow to expand it. Then, drag the Netrinos icon out so you can easily access it. Click the icon to open or close Netrinos. Want to add more devices? The installation steps are exactly the same. Every device running the Nutrino software on the same account joins your secure private network. Now that we have a connected network, let's explore what we can do with it. Sharing files with Netrinos is easy. Now that we have Netrinos installed and our network is humming along, let's see how easy it is to share files between our computers. You don't need any cloud service for this. Windows has file sharing built right in. Let's say we have some files we want on the laptop, and we're going to access them from the home PC. On the home PC, open Netrinos by clicking the icon down by the clock. Remember, it might be tucked away in that little expandable area with the arrow. Now, find the laptop in the list of connected devices and click on its tunnel name. You'll see a little clipboard icon turn green. That means you've copied the name. Open the familiar yellow File Explorer icon at the bottom of the screen. Click in the address bar at the top, type 2 backslashes. Those are above the Enter key, and then right-click and paste the name. The backslashes tell Windows we're looking for a file share. You should see a window pop up asking for a username and password. These are the Windows login credentials for your laptop, not your Netrinos password. That also means the two PCs are talking. If you don't see the login window, it could be that these computers have talked before and remember your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the shared folders on your laptop. Browse through them just like you would if the computers were in the same room. You don't need to download and upload the files. You can work with them right where they are. It's that simple. And these connections work both ways. Behind the scenes, Netrinos is handling all the networking magic. As far as your computers are concerned, they're on the same local area network, so access is really easy. Ready to try something even cooler? Let's use Netrinos to control our laptop using Remote Desktop. Make sure you've enabled Remote Desktop in the laptop settings beforehand. As before, open Netrinos and find the laptop in the list of devices. Click on its tunnel name, and that little clipboard icon will turn green to let you know you've copied the name. Hit the Windows key to bring up the search bar, start typing Remote Desktop, and click on Remote Desktop Connection. In the Remote Desktop window, right-click in the Computer box and paste the name you copied. Then click Connect. You'll be asked for the laptop username and password, same as you used in file sharing. Enter them and click OK. You might see a security warning. This is normal. Click Yes to proceed. And there you have it. You'll see the laptop screen on the PC. Minimize the Remote Desktop window to switch back and forth. And remember, there's no cloud service involved, and you haven't exposed either computer to the public internet. This is all happening within your encrypted Netrinos network. For more examples or help with other applications, have a look at Help on the Netrinos website. Thanks for watching.